Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Joe from ManilaBites.com, and today we're gonna make a no-bake latte Oreo cheesecake. And this is very easy lang naman. So we have Oreo, and I'm gonna separate the fillings of this. So, and I have heavy cream. I chilled overnight. This is 8 ounce, 250 ml. I have cream cheese. This is 8 ounce. I'm just gonna use a half of this, 4 ounce. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and of course we need the mixer. Mix everything ingredients, but for the meantime, we're gonna separate the fillings of this Oreo. So let's get started. Now I separate already with the fillings. So we're gonna mix this. I'm gonna mix this with the cream cheese and heavy cream. So this is gonna be our crust of the cheesecake. Since I don't have the baking round, so I'm gonna use this glass and gonna put the crust on this. We're gonna put this in a fridge for a while doing the cheesecake. Ayan na siya. Okay na to, pang lalagay na natin sa cup. Okay. So yan, I have a piping bag. Kakat ko na lang siya. Ayun na guys, nagawa na natin ang ating latte Oreo cheesecake. We're gonna chill this for 2 hours before we're gonna eat this. Minimum 2 hours. So we're gonna come back later. So there you go. I have this like malamig na. So since 2 hours naman yun, so gumawa na ako. Nalagay ko na lang dito akong mga Oreo.
Is it ready?
Yes, of course. My husband will join here to taste this.
I have to get down just a little bit to get camera level.
Yeah, because I set up the camera already.
That's all right.
Okay.
So what do we have here?
We have a no bake.
No bake.
Yeah, latte Oreo cheesecake.
All right. You want me to get a spoon?
Yeah, we need a spoon to taste this. It's good. See there.
All right.
There. All right. I'm gonna hold the camera.
No, you can put it down. That's fine. I'll get down on my knee.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
All right. There we go.
Tasting time.
So, you made it with
Cream cheese, heavy whipping cream.
So it's low carb?
Not a low carb.
Okay.
And vanilla, with vanilla.
All right.
Dash of vanilla.
All right. And Oreo cookies. All right. I'm gonna try it. So is everything kind of mixed into this?
Yeah,
or is
with
it like layered?
the fillings of Oreo I mix with the cream cheese. Heavy cream.
I don't know how you can go wrong with the ingredients. You just mix the. It tastes like really good cheesecake. Mm-hmm. Like coffee flavored cheesecake.
Mm-hmm. Coffees.
It's like delicious. Give me a little cheers. Not too hard. These are crystal.
Yeah, easy to break.
So yes, it is delicious. It has this. This is going to be my favorite part. It's a whole Oreo. What kind of Oreos are these? What's the flavor?
Latte.
Latte Oreos, which are delicious by themselves, but now we got this cream in here. So, here's a little tip.
What?
The half of the cookie that was inside the mix is like 9 times better than the half of the cookie that was not in the mix. And maybe, I don't know, that's really good. I'm not sure I could eat all of this.
Probably not.
It's super rich. Very rich, but delicious. I'm gonna get down to the bottom.
Oh
where
yeah.
it looks like there's more.
The crust.
Oh, there's crust. So it's like not just cookie crumbs, it's actual crust.
Yeah, with butter.
Butter. So low carb, low calorie. All right. It's really good.
That's really good.
That's
so
delicious.
So guys, we should try this. This is really good. It's like heaven.
Very good.
Yep. So
Thumbs up.
oh well, this is my first time and success. So if you're new to my channel, please give a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you notify to my next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.